today's trading lesson is on reward confusion. So what does it mean? It is when you start rewarding the wrong behavior in trading instead of feeling good about being disciplined or sticking to your plan. You celebrate being right on a random trade even if it was a pure luck. Over time your brain starts craving that emotional rush instead of focusing on skills or consistency. So this lead to impulsive habit and break your discipline. For example, our trader takes on unplanned trade, make a quick profit and feel proud. But that win doesn't build skill. It reinforces bad behavior that will hurt later. Now let's come to the market part. On your screen, you can see the market profile spot chart here. The previous session was a normal variation day with an open rejection reverse open type. So still we are hovering around 25,140 area, and the price has again failed to gain acceptance above the sandline zone, right? It failed here. As I mentioned on Monday, we might need to 2 to 3 session to digest the Friday overnight liquidity move from the US market. So now it will be interesting to watch how the value build from here. Over the last 3 sessions, the value area has been forming lower low instead of overlapping, right? So here for the next 2 3 session we may see a directional imbalance move by on the developing formation. On the lower side, no major changes first. We will watch the repair of the 26 profile as I already marked here, then the 24,843 870 area possibly, right? In the option I'm tracking 24,800. See here, so writer took control near 538 in the previous session. Some late shorter are sitting around 422 area here. We will watch how the response come inside this within the opening tick. And on the lower side, 358 area where the previous session responsive buyer stepping into it. Writer may take full control below 308 area. So this is an important level for the weekly expiry. For 25,400 PE, most writer are sitting around 295 and 310 area. So and their primary job is to defend their range, right? If they fail, they might be forced to cover their position on the buyer side. The entries around like 166 188 area. So this is an important level to hold if the price start moving on the downside. Okay, so that's my observation for the day. The higher balance is compact and the overlapping between 25,030 to 25,284 area, roughly 1% range we can say. So it's a quite narrow one. So I will be trading light, waiting patiently for a clear imbalance confirmation before taking my directional stance. Stay patient, stay focused, and remember discipline pays more than excitement.